Hello students, welcome to Standard 4th, Subject Science, Lesson number 11, Force, Work and Energy. Students, till now we have completed force and work. In the last topic, we had learnt about simple machines such as wheel and axle, inclined plane, screws and wedges. Also, we have seen their use in our daily lives. Now, let's get started with energy and its sources.
When you use force to move things, you do work. Pushing a chair is easy, but pushing a bookshelf is tough. You have to use more force to move the bookshelf. So, you do more work in moving the bookshelf than moving a chair. A man looked tired. The ability to do work is reduced. The ability to do some work is known as energy.
We need energy to do everything, right from basic activities such as walking, reading, talking, and even cooking food requires energy. Also, to do difficult tasks such as lifting, carrying, and climbing. Energy is available in many forms such as chemical, mechanical, heat, light, electrical, magnetic, and sound. Let's know this fact. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. For example, in iron box, electrical energy is transformed into heat energy. In fan, electrical energy is transformed into mechanical energy. If we light a bulb, the electric energy gets converted into light energy. When wood burns, the chemical energy changes into heat and light energy. The CD player and loudspeakers changes the electric energy into sound energy. We use many different energy sources to do work for us. Let's talk about sources of energy. The sun, wind, and water are natural sources of energy. Now, let's know more about these sources of energy. Sun. The main source of all energy on earth is the sun. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Plants use solar energy to make food with the help of their leaves. Food has energy stored in the chemical form. We get heat and light energy from the sun. A variety of technologies convert sunlight into usable energy. The most commonly used solar technologies are solar cooker, solar panels for electricity, and solar water heater. Now, let's talk about solar cooker. A solar cooker is a device which uses the energy of direct sunlight to heat or cook food materials. Next is solar water heater. It uses solar energy to generate heat which used to heat water for home uses, industrial uses, hotel or many places where hot water is necessary. Solar water system is safe, efficient and eco-friendly system. Solar energy can also be used to generate electricity. Solar panels are used to convert light from the sun and convert that light into electricity, which can then be used to provide power for electrical boards. Next is wind. Wind is the movement of air around us. Any object that is moving has energy in it. Energy of the wind, called wind energy, can turn windmills, which in turn can move machines called turbines. The movement of turbines help to produce electrical energy. Do you know what is turbine? A turbine is a machine with rotating blades. Next one is water. Moving water also has a lot of energy in it. This energy is called hydroenergy. To use this energy, we build dams. These dams allow the water to fall from a height onto turbines with great force. Then turbines move and help produce electrical energy. Sun, wind and water are renewable sources of energy. These energy sources are present in nature and freely available. They do not pollute the environment. Renewable energy sources can be used again and again and will not run out. But we generally use oil, coal, gas, which are non-renewable sources of energy which will not be available in future. So, we should try to use the renewable sources of energy rather than using non-renewable sources of energy. Hope you must have understood this topic well. Here we have completed our lesson number 11, Force, Work and Energy. Read this lesson carefully from the textbook. Thank you.